So in this video, you will learn 5 tips of how you can stop feeling broke all the time and get your money back on track. Stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This channel aims to give financial advice and personal life advice so you can improve and develop as a person. So most people feel broke all the time, even though they're earning a full-time income, because they're living paycheck to paycheck. In these times, we need to get our money together. So let's get to the 5 tips to get your money back on track and feeling good about money. So tip number 1, don't put your head in the sand. The worst thing to do is to think that all your problems will just go away if you just put your head in the sand and let everything go. You know, if you haven't got money, you need to assess, okay, what am I spending? What have I got coming in? And what is the difference between that? How much can I potentially save so that I don't have to live paycheck to paycheck? So you need to create that monthly budget, and then once you have a monthly budget, you need to stick to it and you need to save well. So tip number 2 is to pay off all bad debt ASAP, as soon as possible. So you need to make it a priority to pay off all your debt, because your debt really will make you broke. Because if you haven't got out of debt, you're going to be charged interest every month. So that's going to build up and build up and build up. Your interest is working against you rather than for you. So you don't want that debt building up and building up, because you're always going to feel broke by having to pay off that debt constantly, month by month by month. So you need to pay off that debt as soon as possible. Once you've defined a budget, then you need to think how much can I put to debt straight away to be paying off as quickly as possible to get it down. So tip number 3 is cut down on luxury purchases. Now you need to get your finances in order first before you even think about luxury purchases, which are things like holidays, maybe even a wedding, or maybe even a new car, or anything, maybe like a birthday, like a big birthday treat or something. Anything like that, you need to have all your finances in order. You need to know and have a good savings account or a savings behind you. And then when you've got that savings and you've got that comfort, you then can actually think about purchasing luxury items. But again, this needs to be done carefully. You can't go too crazy. You've got to get your finances in order first before you even think about luxury purchases. But tip number 4 is feel good about saving. Spending can give you that little dopamine hit, that little feel good. You know, it's a new handbag, wallet, new computer, new iPhone, whatever it is. You know, it can give you that little dopamine, that little hit, that feel good. But saving over a long time can make you feel good if you're hitting targets and hitting goals, so like financial goals. So if you're saying, I want to save 500 a month, then if you are saving 500 a month and you hit that after a year and you hit the 6,000 for the year, then it could be a big sort of celebration, or you know, like a really like a feel good thing. And also what you've got to think about as well is if you have a savings account and you've got, I know obviously interest at the moment for savings account is very low, but you are going to get that compound interest working, and you are going to get, over time, it is going to start building up. So it's just so good to get interest working for you rather than against you, which is like in debt. Tip number 5, which is increase income. Now, there's only so much we can save. There's only so much we can go down. We need to increase our income. I'm going to talk about this in future videos, but we need to look at multiple streams of income. If you can get multiple streams in, then you're going to be in a great position, whether it's you know, your main income, which is through your job most likely, or your business. And then you need either some kind of side hustle, or something which is going to give you a second income, and then potentially if you even can get to the 3rd or 4th income, that'd be even better. I mean, ultimately, if you can get to somewhere like you've got your main income is your job, you've got a side income either in YouTube or online shop or anything like that, and then potentially maybe you even have properties and you rent out properties and make a little profit on that every month. So again, if you can create multiple streams of income, then you're going to be in a great position financially. So I hope that gives you a few tips of how you don't want to live paycheck to paycheck and you don't want to feel broke all the time, and you want to kind of build up those savings and build up that sort of wealth for yourself. No one really wants to go paycheck to paycheck, especially in this current economy. It's a risky thing to be doing. It's not a good time to be risky with money at the moment. You need to be sensible with it at the moment. You need to look after it well. Try and be frugal. I've talked about that as well in my previous video. And look after yourself and your family as best as you can. So I hope you like that video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and check out this video.